Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to Nvidia account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in nvidia.com and press enter. Once you land in the official webpage of Nvidia, mouse over to the profile avatar at the top right and click on Nvidia account. In the login area, go ahead and enter your email address associated with the account. Enter the same email that you used while registering for Nvidia. You can also log in using your Google account, Discord, Apple or Facebook. After typing in your email, click continue. On the next page, type in your correct password that you created while signing up for Nvidia. If you want to stay logged in with the account, check this little box at the bottom. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave it unchecked before logging in. Finally, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Nvidia account in no time. That was how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.